Ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
UMLA ke United Democratic Party Namarba constituency ulong bagi Samla ki Bitar ki bagi keren sniu bagi keren persya ya ke Sorkar Namarba kimtip ya ki kamba bahaba ke Sorkar kanale ulong bakade ke pori ke Sorkar bakan pen priang lupa ki khubor ling bagi YouTube ya ki kamba bahha Jongka wala kedai ben pelut dak pisaru Namarba ha ke perthai minta ki beri kemudian posyu ben puli kot kenang bagi Sorkar ke nyok jingkershan ba yo jingshan ya biang na ki ba babakan ommi syu ke jingkeren sniu ni ke jingkeren persya ya ke Sorkar. Kumbagalong mentau loong bawat ki para MLA ru kim tip ki kamba baha ki baka Sorkar lale kat no tam le ki ba. Ba Renik tan lakran ya gani ke jinga shimbenta Jong ke jinga tai halor ke jingkren Jong ulan ke baw lakran hagas ngis dang jonga dorbar mang tingka jonga yin dorbar thau an jong gajella.
I just want to thank the government once again. But sir, on my conclusion remarks, I just want to say that the government has done many good job. But sad to say that many people, they do not know this good job done by the government. That's why they cried on the road from our young people. They are speaking against the government because they don't know the good job done by the government. This is the thing which I want to express here. It is very, very important that the good job done by the government should be translated into the information that the general public should know. Good job done by the government. Otherwise, it is on contrary that people are talking against the government because people do not know the good job done by the government. I don't know how much the government has spent in the publicity to let the people know the fact. How many YouTubers do we have as a government? That the YouTubers to explain, to tell, to inform the people, the general public to know about the good job done by the government. I think it's time, sir, that the government should spend, because now people, they don't have time to read books. If we are supplied with these books, hardly any people will have time to read books. But if it's there on YouTube, because people, most of the time we spend time on our mobile, they will know the good job done by the government. That's why I want to express here, sir, that sometimes there are many good jobs done by the government, but even we, legislators, we are not informed. We do not know. I don't know how many MLAs here that we know all the good job done by the government through basin in our area, in our constituency. I think all MLAs will agree with me that most of the things we are not aware, we don't know. Sir, this is the time that we have to give everything, the information properly to people. And that is the only way that we can expect that people will not speak against the government all the time, but they will see the good job done by the government, and we will get the support from the people of the state of Meghalaya. This is the point I want to raise, sir. And with this few words, I want to conclude my speech. Thank you.
Thank you.